The IT sector, TCS will come out with its third quarter earnings today and kickstart the tech earnings season. Let's look at what kind of numbers are expected over here. Well, revenue expected to largely remain flat, margin expected at 24.7% versus 24.1% in the last quarter. Net profit expected to rise healthy by about 5.5%. Now, this is largely because expectation is that BSNL revenue will likely be down because it is a low margin business. It will actually support margin to largely remain flat or little bit of uptick over there. The key highlights are constant currency revenue growth expected at 0.1%, so largely flat in terms of constant currency as well. Now, this is based on consensus estimates. Margin expected to improve due to absence of wage hike, unlike the other companies such as Wipro, LTI, Mindtree, which are expected to announce wage hikes. Lower contribution from low margin BSNL deal, as I mentioned. And third, furloughs, however, expected to partially offset the gain over there. Therefore, the key things to watch out for are number one, demand and margin outlook. Discretionary demand, remember that discretionary demand was largely under pressure for most of the IT companies. So trends over there will largely be a watch out for, as well as what clients are saying about the CY25 budget to these companies is what we look out for from the management. Next up is BSNL deal ramp down schedule. By when will revenue stop coming from the BSNL deal? And of course, growth in the banking space. Remember that most of the management in last quarter mentioned about how banking space is reviving, except for TCS, which largely reported flat quarterly growth.